Hello everyone, I am Hia's mother, Manisha. I would say IP ma mukia pachi, my daughter had like a lot of changes in her. As in, she got that confident regarding the subjects which she was so afraid of. And she was really, I would say she got so good score that I could not believe that that is economics, I think so. And there are many other points I would say, but like I basically I would say IP has done lot of effort for our kids, and the only reason my daughter has got this thing, this good score is IP. So really thank from bottom of my heart to all the teachers and Purvi ma'am. Thank you.